Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. Good morning. Take out your revision registers. Mute your mic, children. Sound is echoing. Take out your revision register. All of you. Open fresh page. Take out your revision register. Open fresh page. Put heading Social Studies Revision. Good morning. Revision register. Fresh page. Put heading Social Studies Revision. Quickly. Yesterday, I gave you English literature word meanings for revision, word problems for revision. All of you have done. An English language letter and a few exercises I gave. First, I'm going to give you social studies, a portion of revision. Then, if time will be left, I'm going to discuss the answers of yesterday's revision. All right? So, right, I'm going to give you mixed questions of all the chapters. Okay? So first of all, write first question. Are you all ready? All of you have joined? Put today's date, heading. All right, so first question. Define the following. Define the following. First question says, define the following. Charter, C-H-A-R-T-E-R, charter. C-H-A-R-T-E-R, charter. Number two, nationalism. 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 Done. Number three, Swadeshi movement. Number three, Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi. Swadeshi. Swadeshi movement. Number four, non-corporation movement. Number four, non-corporation movement. What happened? Number four, non-corporation movement. Charter, charter, then nationalism, then Swadeshi movement, then democracy, democracy, then after democracy, satyagrah, satyagrah, S-A-T-Y-A, satya, G-R-A-H-A, grah, satyagrah. This is one word. Satyagrah, satyagrah. Beta, how many times I have to repeat? Charter, nationalism, Swadeshi movement, democracy, satyagraha. This much done. The next, parliament. 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 Define done. Now, question answers. Quickly write the question answers. Number one, name the current president of India. Name the current president of India. And write fast. Name the current president of India. Number two, who looks after the welfare of the state? Who looks after the welfare of the state? Who looks after the welfare of the state? Write fast, children. Question number three. Question number three. Who runs the whole administration? Who runs the whole administration? ADMINISTRATION. Who runs the whole administration of the country? Who runs the whole administration of the country? Next, who appoints the governor of the state? Who appoints the governor of the state? Who appoints the governor of the state? Next, how is the President of India elected? How is the President of India elected? How is the President of India elected? Write quickly. How is the President of India elected? Written. What are the functions of State High Court? What are the functions of State High Court? I don't remember the number which question I'm giving in and in which number because I'm giving random questions. Okay, so don't ask like this. If you have missed out anything, please when I will give you the link, you check the video and then see from there. Okay. Who appoints the governor of the state? What are the main functions of the State High Court? Written of State High Court. What are the functions? What are the functions of the State High Court? Done. Next. Who was called Frontier Gandhi? Who was called Frontier Gandhi? Frontier. 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 Manvi, your mic is on, beta. Mute it. Who was called Frontier Gandhi? Next. Who founded? Who founded? Who founded Indian National Congress and when? Who founded Indian National Congress and when? Who founded Indian National Congress and when? Done? Next, what name Gandhiji gave to untouchables? What name Gandhiji gave to untouchables? What name Gandhiji gave to untouchables? Name some revolutionaries of name some name some revolutionaries. 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 Name some revolutionaries of freedom struggle. Name some revolutionaries of freedom struggle. Done? Next question. Why did Gandhiji start non-corporation movement? Why did Gandhiji start non-corporation movement? Why did Gandhiji start non-corporation movement? Done? Right, next question. How many questions you did in all just now? These are these are only okay. These are only half of the revision, not full. So write one more question. Write a short note on when did India become free. Write a short note on when did India become free. Write a short note on when did India become free. Total 12 questions you have written today. So this is half of the revision, not the full revision. Okay. Now let me tell you, today you are going to have your Saturday timetable. Okay. So in Saturday you have social studies and Hindi. Yes. So just now we did social studies half revision, and next class will be your Hindi class. That's it. No other class today. Okay. And then tomorrow also you will be having Saturday timetable. Tomorrow also. So half of the revision which is left in social, we are going to do it tomorrow. Saturday. Tomorrow we will do half of the revision which is left in today's class. So your homework is you have to do these 12 questions, but same time, beta, yes. Social studies and Hindi tomorrow also. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to again do not cheat. Okay. Learn the work. First, learn these 12 question answers from the copy and book. Be honest to yourself. Okay. Sit 1 hour, learn all 12 questions. That's why I'm not giving too many questions. I have given you only little questions, 11, 12 questions. Learn these 12 questions, close the book and copy, then write them in your revision copy. Then be a teacher to yourself. Check the answers on your own. If you have written the whole answer correct, put a tick mark. And if you have done spelling mistake, make the circle. And if you have missed out any line, make this mark and add that line. Okay. You can use red pen to check your work. in revision copy. Be a teacher to yourself. Okay, check it, correct it. Now imagine that you are your teacher and you are checking your own work. So whatever mistake you have done, write it with red pen and then don't just leave there. Then again learn the correct answer and do it again after putting the heading correction. You do correction when you do anything wrong, you do correction in the copy on a fresh page. Similarly, after checking your work, whatever wrong thing you have done, put a cross there on a fresh page, write the heading correction, and then write the correct answer. 12 answers to you can learn in one day. They are not too much. Yes. And out of these 12, there are many questions which are of only one word and one line. So they are very easy. Like who was called the Frontier Gandhi, who is the current president of India. So these are one word answers. Okay. So learn these 12 question answers. Please do not cheat. Again and again, I'm telling you. Be honest to yourself. It will help you only in the exam, not me. Because I want my class to pass with very good marks. And who were left to take the photograph? Who has not taken the prize distribution photograph? Whosoever is left, today is the day that you can come and collect at 11:30. Okay? I will wait near the stage. Those who have not taken, they can come and take at 11:30, not after that. Right? Who is left? Who will be coming? Tell me. Mustafa. That I will tell you very soon. GK moral timing, I will tell you by tomorrow for sure. Okay? Don't worry. Just remind me. Remind me tomorrow. I'm going to tell you. All right. Okay. Then I'm ending the class here. Be ready for everything for your Hindi class. Right?